Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. So today I'm going to show you how I get this ponytail on my, what's it called, TWA? I don't know if that's what they call it, but on my short, not even 2 inches long hair. So if you want to see how you get this look, then keep on watching. Today I'm going to try that ponytail video that I did, I think it was last year. I want a ponytail because if I don't do a ponytail or braid my hair, I'm gonna relax it back to my pixie cut because I cannot deal with this. I can't deal with it. I can't deal with the awkward stage. So we're gonna try and see what I can do. Last time I did my ponytail all the way up here. This time I want to do it low ponytail with the braids like right here. So let's go. My hair is kind of damp. I don't ever want to do a center part ponytail or just stick it back. Like I don't ever want to do like this ponytail. I look so weird. Or all the way back. So I have the braid in here. I'm gonna put the braid all the way back, just like my last video. So I'm gonna try this pomade. I used this one before, but I've never used this one for thick and coarse hair. I'm just gonna start. I don't even know what I am doing. How did I do it? I don't remember what I did. See, just gonna take a little bit. So this is what I've done so far. So far so good. Let me just show you. So this is where our ponytail is gonna be, right here. I don't think I'm gonna do no parting. Just gonna leave it like that. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Let's finish up this part. Okay, so this is what I've done so far. I'm gonna do the next side and then I come back and show you guys what I'm working with. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like. Then I'm gonna go in with a little bit of this clear ice gel. But I'm doing this so it doesn't flake. So hopefully it doesn't flake. Because the last time I did it, it flaked. Then I'm gonna go in with a little bit of the same oil that I used. Got a little bit more, just a little bit to secure that again. Oh, okay. Alright, so I guess I shouldn't do that because when I add a little bit more, you can see how it flakes, right? See, I'm making that white, so I guess I won't add any more. I think I'm gonna use this half because I don't want it to be too long nor too short. So I'm just gonna attach this to my little ponytail. I'm also gonna use a few bobby pins since my hair, well, I don't have no hair. I'm gonna braid these together, just separating them. I'm gonna leave a little bit of the braiding here. I think I'm gonna add some more hair because this is where it's ends and I want it a little bit longer. So this is what it looks like. So now I am going to like put this all the way on my, and then bobby pin it so it stays. See, I don't know why I don't have any hair. So this is what it looks like. So next I am going to just wrap this. I'm gonna add a little hairspray just to get a little bit of water. So I'm gonna do my makeup and then I'll come back and show you the finished look, guys. This is the finished look. I am loving it. Like, I'm not gonna cut my hair again. I think this looks so nice and so different on me. You guys, the first time you guys see me something like this, but I really love it and I hope you guys like it as well. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up, comment below and let me know what you think. Also follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my channel, as well as hit the bell button so you get notified whenever I post new videos. And yeah, I hope you guys like it. So take care, guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.